Welcome to Carpenter Chemicals, home of the Plaforization one-step, non-water, no-rinse, room temperature system to clean, phosphatize, and seal your metal parts. This short presentation shows Plaforization in use in a batch spray washer in a process treating aluminum and some steel. This batch type of equipment was chosen to fit the customer's production and space requirements. They needed a batch system and had only about 10,000 square feet of plant space to work with for their whole pretreatment and painting layout. In addition, they needed a system that does not use water because the plant has no drain. The self-contained washer is a modular design and consists of an enclosed spray area with the entry-exit doors at one end, plus the associated tank, pump, and filters. The tank, pump, and filters are stainless steel, and the housing and risers are made of polypropylene. These are the appropriate materials of construction for Plaforization units. Materials such as PVC, CPVC, and mild steel should not be used, as they will be affected by the chemicals. The interior of the unit has 9 sets of risers and nozzles, and is sized for the parts to be treated. The unit measures 4 feet wide by 8 feet high by 12 feet long and works kind of like a big dishwasher. This unique batch spray washer, the Mini Plaforator, was designed and built by Diversified Finishing Systems of Memphis, Tennessee and Dallas, Texas. Diversified is a long-standing Carpenter Chemicals representative that is very familiar with the Plaforization technology and its implementation. They have many years of experience in design and building powder coating and pretreatment systems. Dual filters allow for changing filter bags without having to interrupt production. Pressure gauges indicate when to change the bags. Liquid in the tank is kept in motion with eductors. This keeps the fines washed off the parts from settling to the bottom of the tank. That way, they are continuously filtered out of the bath. The plant layout is very efficient, with the Plaforization unit at one end, the powder booth at the other end, and the oven in the middle. The oven is used both to dry the plaforized parts and subsequently to cure the parts after they have been powder coated. The triple manual conveyor allows cleaned parts to be dried at the same time as powder-coated parts are cured. The process begins with racking of parts in front of the Plaforization unit and manually moving them into the unit for the cleaning, phosphating, and sealing process. That is actually the fastest part of the complete pretreatment and coating production cycle. Spray pressure in the Plaforization unit is kept very low, 3 to 5 psi. Impingement is not necessary, and low pressure results in the most efficient use of the material. Treatment time is 1 minute, or more if desired, after which the parts are left in the unit for a few minutes to drip off. When the pretreatment cycle is completed, the parts are taken to the oven for dry-off. Note the switch at the head of the conveyor, which allows the operator to choose which of the 3 conveyor rails will be used. Dry-off is usually 3 to 5 minutes, and oven temperature can be from 300 to 400 plus degrees Fahrenheit. When the parts are dry, they are taken to the powder booth and coated. And then they are moved back into the oven for curing. Shown here is one set of pre-treated parts being dried and another set of coated ones being cured. Finally, parts are cooled in the load-unload area in front of the Plaforization unit, and then they are removed from the line. All in all, they found the Plaforization system to be a better way to control both production quality and timing. The OEM finished products are decorative, functional, and hardy, made for outdoor use, and production is simple and consistent, and also very flexible. In addition to the OEM aluminum products, the company said it doesn't matter whether we're hanging an intake manifold, an engine block, a motorcycle frame, or anything else. The system works. The company was pleased with the choice of pretreatment system. This is a one-stage, room temperature process that has no sludge buildup, virtually no maintenance, and no tank dumping. When they factored in time and labor to do maintenance and desludging and wastewater containment and disposal, as would be the case in a conventional system, they said plaforization was a no-brainer for them. This is just one of many applications for plaforization in many different types of equipment, inline, indexed, and batch, and both dip and spray units. There are commercial plaforization installations operating in Europe, North America, and elsewhere in the world, providing one-step pretreatment to steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, and other metals. The plaforization process has been in use for more than 30 years. Why? Because it works. Please contact Carpenter Chemicals for further information and visit our website too. We look forward to working with you.